My name is Alan Goldstein, interpretive naturalist at the Falls of the Ohio State Park. Today we're going to investigate the difference between a mammoth and a mastodon. Both are a type of elephant. Both were covered with fur. Both lived during the Ice Age, what geologists call the Pleistocene epoch. So, how do we tell the difference? Well, if we have a complete skeleton, you basically have to look at the tusks and teeth. If you only have parts of it, again, the tusks and teeth are the most important parts. So let's take a look at our models here. This is the mammoth, and you'll notice the tusks are strongly curved and almost cross. This is a model of a mastodon, and the tusks are curved, but they're not nearly as strongly curved, and they don't cross each other. If you look at the body, the mammoth has a high shoulder, kind of like a humpback, whereas the mastodon had a relatively gently curved back. Now, often all you find are the teeth, so you don't have anything else to go on. These are replica teeth in front of me. This is a mammoth tooth. This is a mastodon tooth. And color notwithstanding, you notice there's quite a bit of difference both in size and in texture. The mammoth tooth is larger and it has a flat surface. Reminds me of a tennis shoe sole, very finely ribbed. The roots are relatively deep and the tooth has quite a bit of weight to it. The mastodon tooth is smaller and it is more deeply notched. And the shape of the tooth has to do with their diets. A tooth like this would be used for grinding small branches as it was eating leaves. A tooth that's flat, like this one, is more for chewing grasses. If you look at the difference between deer and cow teeth, you'll see something that looks very similar. So the teeth tell the story of the diet of mammoths and mastodons. Now we'll take a look at our model in the lobby of the Interpretive Center. This is the mammoth we have in the lobby of the Interpretive Center. It is from Utah. It is a complete skeleton of a Columbian mammoth, and it is made of fiberglass. As a result, it's positioned so that you can actually touch it as you go underneath it to go into the auditorium or through the exhibit galleries. If you look at the tusks, you'll notice that the tusks are very strongly curved and almost cross, and that is an indication that this is indeed a mammoth skeleton. The teeth are a little bit harder to see in this video, but they're shaped like tennis shoe soles, and so that also tells us that this is a mammoth. So the next time you come to the Interpretive Center, make sure you have a chance to walk underneath our mammoth skeleton and get a family picture.